If you own a Roku device and you're still scrolling endlessly trying to figure out what to watch, stop right there. Because in this video, we're diving into the top 12 Roku apps and channels you need to install right now in 2025. From blockbuster movies to free live TV and exclusive shows, these apps will transform your Roku experience into a full-blown entertainment powerhouse. So grab your remote, sit back, and let's unlock the best Roku has to offer this year, because you might just discover your next favorite binge-worthy channel. Let's kick things off with Hulu, a household name that never disappoints. Hulu is like that one friend who always has everything, from award-winning TV shows to next-day streaming of cable hits, and even Hulu Originals like Only Murders in the Building and The Handmaid's Tale. In 2025, Hulu's integration with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus makes it an absolute must-have on Roku. You're not just getting great shows, you're getting sports, movies, and exclusive Disney content all in one place. And the best part? The interface on Roku is buttery smooth, easy to navigate, and supports personalized watch lists, so your recommendations actually get smarter over time. Next up, Plex. This one is a hidden gem for true streaming enthusiasts. Plex lets you stream free on-demand movies and shows. But what really makes it special is that you can also use it as your personal media server. That means you can organize your own collection of movies, music, and photos and stream them on Roku anytime, anywhere. Plus, Plex has stepped up big time in 2025 with a sleek new interface, live TV channels, and better search tools. Imagine having your personal Netflix. That's Plex in a nutshell. If you love live TV without the monthly bill, then Pluto TV is your dream come true. It's 100% free. No subscriptions, no signups, nothing. Just instant access to over 250 plus live channels ranging from news, sports, classic movies, and even 24/7 channels dedicated to shows like CSI or Star Trek. It's like flipping through old school cable TV, but smarter and smoother. And for Roku users, Pluto TV's interface feels familiar and fast, perfect for casual watching or background entertainment. You can't talk about top Roku apps without mentioning Amazon Prime Video. This platform has grown into a serious streaming giant, packed with Hollywood blockbusters, Prime originals, and even rentals and purchases of the latest theatrical releases. In 2025, Prime Video's new AI-powered recommendation system makes it even easier to find your next obsession, whether it's The Boys, Jack Reacher, or Fallout. And if you're a Prime member, it's included in your subscription, which means you get more content for less. Next is Paramount Plus, the home of blockbuster films, CBS shows, and NFL games. What makes Paramount Plus stand out on Roku is its combination of live TV, news, and movies, all under one roof. You'll find content from MTV, Nickelodeon, CBS, BET, and Comedy Central. Plus, if you're into Star Trek, Yellowstone, or Halo, this is where they live exclusively. For fans of thrillers, mysteries, and cinematic storytelling, AMC Plus is a goldmine. From the Walking Dead universe to Better Call Saul in Dark Winds, AMC Plus delivers high-quality drama with a signature edge. In 2025, AMC Plus continues expanding with exclusive first-look premieres and ad-free viewing, all perfectly optimized for Roku's 4K streaming. Say hello to Peacock, NBC's all-in-one streaming app. It's packed with everything from The Office, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and Parks and Recreation to blockbuster films and live sports like Premier League Soccer and WWE. The best part? Peacock offers a free tier, so you can enjoy tons of content without spending a dime. Formerly HBO Max, now just Max, this platform continues to set the bar for cinematic storytelling. Whether it's House of the Dragon, The Last of Us, or new Warner Bros. Releases, Max combines quality and style in one powerhouse app. The Roku version supports 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos, making your living room feel like a mini theater. Now let's talk about one of the best free streaming apps on Roku, Tubi. Owned by Fox, Tubi offers tens of thousands of free movies and TV shows, all supported by short ad breaks instead of subscriptions. What makes Tubi stand out in 2025 is its growing library of Tubi Originals and its smart genre system. You can browse everything from hidden gems to not on Netflix. It's free, fast, and constantly updated. What's not to love? Of course, we can't forget the Roku channel itself, the built-in hub that's surprisingly good. This channel offers free movies, TV shows, live news, and even premium subscriptions all in one place. In 2025, Roku has made serious upgrades, more content, better recommendations, and even original shows like Die Hard and The Spiderwick Chronicles. It's fast, familiar, and totally free. If you haven't checked it out lately, do it tonight. And as a bonus, make sure to explore Tubi again because Fox has been quietly turning it into one of the most feature-rich free platforms, with new categories like crime scene, after dark, and based on true events. It's worth another look. Sometimes free really does mean quality, and Tubi proves that. And that's our list of the top 12 Roku apps and channels to install right now in 2025. Whether you're a movie lover, a sports fan, or just want to cut the cord completely, these apps have something for everyone, free or premium. Question of the day: which Roku app do you use the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. I might feature your pick in the next video. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next tech or streaming update. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!